If you're trying to figure out how to rebuild your life after loss, but you don't feel ready, you don't feel clear, and you don't feel strong, this is where you start. Because I've been there before, and I didn't start from strength, I started from survival. So first off, who am I? I am Carmen Andrea, certified grief counselor, and over 7 years ago, grief and loss hit my life in a way that was unimaginable, and I had to pull myself up by the bootstraps, and now I help other women who have experienced loss and major life transitions to heal, to rebuild, and to live well after loss.